Hello, note investor. Scott Carson here, and I'm known across the country as the note guy because for the last 13 plus years, I've been buying and selling and investing in distressed debt. And if you want to know a power in the universe stronger than the Force or Darth Vader out here for all our Star Wars fans, it's actually the power of paper and compound interest. And guess what, everybody? Everybody's in the note game already. You're just on the wrong side of the payment streams. And I want to change that. I want to help make America great again, one defaulted borrower at a time. And I want to invite you out to my very special 3-day note buying for dummies workshop that is kicking off this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 9 a.m. Central. That's right. Come learn the A to Z, that all the nuts and bolts of becoming a note investor and how to get banks and hedge funds to send you lists of deals that you can cherry pick at huge discounts, well below what you're probably paying as a REO, a landlord, fix and flipper, or even a wholesaler these days. Get deals 6 to 12 months ahead of the competition. It's just an amazing time to be a note investor because we all know stuff is about to hit the fan here with the foreclosure and eviction moratorium ending here in the next few weeks. So get a head start. Join me this Friday, Saturday, Sunday at Note Buying for Dummies, my virtual note buying workshop. Go to notebuyingfordummies.com and get signed up today for it. Let me share with you what we're going to cover a little bit. My virtual note buying workshop is the creme de la creme when it comes to education in the non-performing note space. Why is that? Because I've been buying notes for over 13 years. I've called thousands of banks. And one of the most important things is that my students have closed thousands of deals using either their own funds that they want to, but mostly using other people's money to create win-win-win scenarios. A win for them, a win for their investors, and a win for the borrowers on the deals that they're buying. And my 3-day workshop, like I said, is the A to Z, the best nuts and bolts class out there for you if you're wanting to learn about non-performing notes on residential commercial property. And we spend a lot of time going through a lot of things throughout this weekend. We'll show you how to evaluate deals. We'll show you how to buy notes nationwide in hot markets with great ROIs for your bottom line. We'll show you what and what not to say to bankers so that you don't end up stepping on your toes, and how to have them actually send you deals, whether it's via email, phone call, or online via LinkedIn. There's no direct mail in the note business, okay? We'll show you how to find financing and private investors to fund your deals. We'll show you how to find hundreds and hundreds of private investors all across the country that have money and are looking to fund deals. We'll show you how to build a nationwide note team of vendors to help you, assist you in every aspect of your note business, because you don't have to go do it all. We'll show you how to protect your assets. We'll show you how to market to attract buyers and sellers of your notes. We'll show you how to attract money via marketing. We'll show you how the right types of due diligence that will help you determine whether it's a deal or a dud when others may look at it, may overbid for it. We'll show you how to avoid those mistakes. Like I said, it is a ton of content over 3 days. And it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. How does it break down for you? Well, it's June 25th to 27th. We're delivering this via Zoom. So you have a link for you. So if you go to notebuyingfordummies.com and get signed up for this. But on Friday, we'll spend time going on how to find assets. We'll show you how to build a list of over 2,000 bank asset manager contacts, names, emails, phone numbers you can start reaching out to immediately. We'll also include a manual that are 200 pages long, which includes scripts, forms, contracts, assignments, all sorts of great paperwork for you guys so that you're knowledgeable when it comes to looking at note deals. Now on Saturday is all about the funding side. We'll show you how to raise the capital there. We'll also show you how to market properly on Saturday. Now, Sunday is all about the flip. There's a variety of exit strategies in the note business, and we'll spend time going through each one on Sunday, along with going through a couple of non-performing note tapes that you can actually bid on today if you want to. These are actual live deals, and it gives you a great opportunity to learn real action, real deal flow, not something that you did 2 years ago or 3 years ago. No. I'll show you how to evaluate deals today, because we're closing deals on a regular basis, okay? Closed on thousands of deals for my own portfolio, but I've also helped thousands of my students close on thousands of deals for their own portfolio. So another big thing that we're throwing in is a 4-week note coaching program that actually kicks off this Thursday night. Is week number 1. We'll help you absorb the information, help you take action, and feel a lot more confident a little bit at a time. The biggest thing that people don't do in any type of real estate education is they go to class, they go back to work, and they don't implement. Oh, that's a sad, sad day. We will show you how to implement more and get more done in the next 30 days than you've ever done before. All right. That 4-week coaching is a kick-ass bonus that's usually $5.99 by itself. Like I said, we'll throw in the replays, we throw in the manual, We'll throw in some other goodies along the ways too. But like I said, it's $9.97. That includes you plus your spouse, a partner. All right, usually we charge individually, but we're going to let you bring your guest for free. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, we'd love to have you. You can get signed up right now by going to notebuyingfordummies.com. That's notebuyingfordummies.com. Get signed up today. Get an email sent to you with replays the last quarter. You can start learning now and be ready and dangerous to use the force this Friday at notebuyingfordummies.com. So we'll see you there, guys. Go out, take some action today, get signed up, get all the bonuses sent to you now, and we'll see you all at the top, everybody. Bye.